How's it going, guys? It's Fletcher08 here, and welcome to another vlog. So in today's vlog, we're in the White Mountains doing all sorts of cool stuff where it's super beautiful. We went to this place called Franconia Falls where there's this natural water slide that was awesome. I didn't get that much footage of it because I was just having too much fun to care, but it was awesome.
Someone needs...
So the day after that, we went to this place called the Basin where it was just like a bunch of awesome river water with like little waterfalls and views. It was just really pretty. So we spent some time like exploring all the caves and whatnot in that area.
Wait, these are spies? I bet you...
Avery, do something cool.
Well, I did.
Well, I guess we go
Parkour!
Yes!
Parkour!
You gotta do something! Parkour!
So after that, we had the long drive home. So we listened to music and did some terrible dance moves.
Yes, Olivia!
Rip it up!
Yeah, see? That was ironic if this goes on the vlog.
Kisses!
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Sorry it was a little short. This was from only 2 days of footage when most of mine are from a whole week. But anyways, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see ya!
Now make that motherfucker hammer time.